how liquid is the job market? Job market for someone who has completed a QuantInsti's executive program, or are jobs in quant trading the reserve of PhDs? If you have a PhD, definitely it definitely helps. So that's definitely true. But not all the firms need just the PhDs. So you need to know your stuff. That's what the key requirement we keep on seeing from different placement partners that we have, and not just in a particular geography, not just in India, but even outside. So not a lot of them are looking out for PhD guys. Obviously, some of the HFT firms keep a focus on only hiring physics or maths PhD guys, but not a huge lot of them. So it's an advantage, but it's not like if you don't have that, then you cannot pick up those skills and enter into the industry. You can, and a lot of people that we interact with definitely do.